Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. I am back with another video, and sis, we are here with Nadula here today, and I'm super excited for this install because it came out freaking flawless. Like, nobody can come for me, nobody can say nothing because, yeah, I said what I said. But anyway, today's hair is from, of course, Nadula hair. I just said that, yo. We have a 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is in the color 99J, which we know as burgundy, and she is 24 inches, baby, and she's straight hair. So I had to come back and give you guys an up close view of this hairline. Like, there's no bulkiness, there's no thickness or fullness in that hairline. I applaud Nadula because they took the time to pre-plug this lace and they did a dang good job. They did so freaking good. Like, sis, I was shocked. Like, I was just like, come through, Nadula, come through, because it made my install so much easier, okay? Now, I'm always extra, so I always do the most. So I did go in behind it and just pluck it a little bit more, just a little bit, but honestly, you didn't need to do that, okay? Optional. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut slits and the lace so we can go ahead and install her. I've learned that installing the lace for the first time, installing the wig, leaving the lace on is it just helps, y'all. I feel like my installation process has gotten so much easier because I followed this method. And like, I've tried it before in the past, and you guys seen that in my video. I've tried it before and it never worked. But I guess it's because I'm actually taking my time now and just, you know, working with each section. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm using my bedhead spray today to lay down my lace. I feel like using the Erika J Skin Guard actually gives me an extra layer of security protection for my hairline. Y'all know I don't use the ball cut method, so I'm actually placing all these products on my actual hairline. You know, I try to keep it a little bit below my hairline, but at the same time, I still want, you know, some extra security. Now, I haven't had any problems with bedhead or got to be glue or anything that I've used that is just a hairspray bringing out my hairline. But, you know, you never can be too sure. But in my experience, I've never had that happen. So, yeah. But I'm just rambling at the mouth now. So we just gonna go ahead and continue to lay this lace entirely down. And when I'm done, we'll be back. So I am getting ready to melt this bad boy. This step is very, very crucial. I'm just using an edge wrap scarf, and we're just gonna tie this around as tight as we can, y'all. Y'all gonna have to bear with the pain. Y'all know beauty is pain. Y'all gonna have to bear with the pain. But we leave this sitting for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to take it off and begin to cut off the lace. Now, I do still create jagged edges when cutting it off, but like I said, this process have made my lace game fire by leaving on the lace and then trimming it off after I install it. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I've tried it in the past and it never worked, but this lace looks freaking amazing. It looks so good. Now I'm just taking some of the bedhead spray and spraying it on my lace after I get done cutting it off so that line of demarcation won't be as visible. All right, we back. So we're gonna take her off again just so we can see what it looks like. And it says, okay, let's see. Come through. I think this is the best my laces ever looked after I, taking that off, because usually my whole hairline would be like white and flaky and visible. And since it's not even giving that, it is giving wet. I'm going in and placing some concealer on the hairline. Well, actually the part, because we want that to should pop. We gotta see that. You gotta see that a mile away. And I just love this part because I just think it brings everything together. Okay, she is looking fire. She's looking fire. Okay, now I'm going with my bedhead wax stick. This is my favorite wax stick, y'all. That's why you don't see me using others, but I know I have to venture out and you start using different products, but they are my safe zone. I'm also going with the Sleek and Sheen by Erika J as well. This stuff smells so good, but it has my hair on sheen shine like that. That be looking real good. So we're just gonna comb all those products in, and after we do that, we're gonna go in and detangle fully, just using a detangle brush. And this is my first time detangling the hair since it's been on my head. Okay, but then we're going in with our hot comb just to lay everything down. I feel like this is another crucial step because you want that laid look. Now, if you're just looking for a more natural look, don't do this step, and don't add the wax stick or the sheen. But if you want that, sis, I just got out of a salon chair and my hair looks pressed, like relaxed look, I definitely would say use the hot comb. But this is how it would look if I didn't have baby hair. I know y'all get on me, but I don't realize how the lace is looking until I watch the clip back. Like, I could have literally left it like this because look how flawless this hairline looks without no baby hairs. So I'm going in and doing some layers, but y'all know I'm a little janky with the layers. I gotta start doing that more because, sis, I ain't know what I was doing. But like I said, the hairline looked amazing with no baby hairs, and I literally could have wore it like this, but I didn't. Okay, so I'm adding just layers, of course, just to frame my face, but this is pretty much it for the video. I haven't washed or conditioned this hair yet, so I can't give you guys like a full review because this is just straight out the package. I wore a white shirt so y'all can see that it doesn't bleed. Normally when hair bleeds, it bleeds when you add product and things like that, like flat iron it or the Sheen. If you use any of that product and the hair is gonna bleed, it's gonna bleed. So it did not bleed on me, and I did my baby hairs using the foam wrap lotion and it didn't bleed either. So sis, it is what it is. Now, shedding is to a minimum. I did get a few tangles here and there, especially when I first detangled it in the nape area. There was a few snags and tags back there. But after, fully detangling, sis, it was non-existent. So I want to know what you guys think of the hair. Leave your comments down below. And until next time, your girl will see you later. And don't forget to check the description section. All information will be there. Bye, guys.